Welcome to our full guide on how to enter a promo code on BetMGM for 2025. Whether you're into sports betting or casino games, we've got you covered. Using promo codes on BetMGM can unlock amazing benefits like bonus cash, free bets, and exclusive promotions designed just for you. Let's start by creating your BetMGM account. Head to their website and click on Sign Up. Follow the prompts to enter your details. To find the most current promo code for 2025, check their official website or trusted promo code websites. Always look for recent updates. When prompted during registration, enter your promo code in the provided box. This is crucial to receive your bonuses. After entering the promo code, make sure to check for a confirmation message indicating that it has been applied successfully. Now that you've successfully registered, you can use your promo code benefits for sports betting and casino games. Enjoy! To get the most out of your promo codes, keep an eye on seasonal promotions and utilize them alongside other offers. Have questions? We've got answers. Common inquiries include how to retrieve forgotten promo codes and eligibility requirements. Thanks for watching. We encourage you to give BetMGM a try and enjoy all the fantastic features and benefits they offer.